Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to flip an image on Canva. So whether you want to flip an image vertically or horizontally, it's really easy to do. So you might know that you can rotate an image, but this will not flip the image. So if you want to flip the image, all you have to do is select the image you want to flip. Then on the top left you're gonna see the flip option here. So if you want to flip the image vertically, you can select vertical here, or if you want to flip the image horizontally, select this one, and now as you can see the image has been flipped. And basically that's about it. If you want to know how you can flip other elements like text, I have another tutorial on my YouTube channel that you can check out, but all in all, this is how you can flip images in Canva. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make Money with Canva checklist for free, where we reveal a ton of ways how you can make money with Canva and get other free Canva online marketing and AI resources, make sure to check out the links in the description below, where you can also sign up for Canva Pro for 14 days for free. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Canva, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlist, because we have over 1,000 free tutorials, and also make sure to subscribe because we have more Canva tutorials coming up.